Greetings. It's been long since I uploaded a video, and today I am going to show you guys how you can easily tackle with command line. For example, whenever I reinstall my Linux operating system especially, and I have to do a lot of terminal work. In start, what I used to do is open up my browser, Firefox in this case, and start typing in like um, gnome tweaks DNF. Since I am on Fedora, so I use to type DNF and there how to install gnome tweaks tool on Fedora, blah blah blah. I've been doing this for a long time, and eventually I just happened to watch a video on YouTube, and uh, I don't know who he was, but the thing is he was using search method, and you can do this for literally every package manager. So I am zooming that. Let's say I want to install, I for now let me show you. If I don't have Java installed, so what I am going to do is I have to install OpenJDK for my development purposes. So I type in DNF search um, open, let's say OpenJDK, and enter. I wait for a bit, and there are some results. It's showing which matches these, and it's showing this keyword has these packages matching this keyword. For example, if we want to see, either we have this in our repository. For example, if I type in DNF search gnome twigs, it will show me gnome twigs. You see, gnome twigs.org. So this way I don't need to worry about the package actual name in command line. All I need to worry is about the package name, for example OpenJDK in this case. Now to install this, I'm going to see which package do I need. So from here, I don't need runtime environment, I need development kit. So and I need Java 11. So I believe it's this one, Java 11, this one. So from here to there, right click, copy. I can also use Control Shift and C to copy from the terminal, gnome terminal. I am using default terminal, and this is my bash installed. Let me know if you want a video on my bash as well, how to set this up. And this is a simple add-on with some colors. Control Shift V, paste this, and now using my left cursor key, and in front of that typing sudo dnf y install, and above in front of that it's the same thing, enter. I type in my password and wait for a bit. It says all these packages will be installed. This is the download size, and it did not ask me the permission again to install, since I used y in the argument or parameter. Right here I put -y or -y.